The 2025 Chevrolet Tahoe enters the market as a refined powerhouse, blending rugged capability with modern luxury. As one of America's favorite full-size SUVs, the new Tahoe builds on its strong legacy with updated styling, enhanced technology, and improved performance. It's not just a family hauler anymore, it's a versatile machine ready for city cruising, cross-country adventures, and everything in between. The 2025 Tahoe features a bold yet sophisticated exterior. The front fascia is more sculpted, with a commanding grille design and redesigned LED headlamps that give it a modern, confident face. Sleek body lines improve aerodynamics while emphasizing the SUV's substantial stance. Larger wheel options, blackout packages, and new color choices like metallic green and glacier blue give buyers plenty of personalization. Inside, the Tahoe delivers a premium experience with up to 3 rows of comfortable seating. High-quality materials, contrast stitching, and soft-touch surfaces elevate the cabin's feel. The 2025 model introduces an updated infotainment system with a massive 17.7-inch touchscreen, a reconfigurable 11-inch digital instrument cluster, and Google built-in for seamless navigation, voice control, and app integration. With up to 122.9 cubic feet of cargo space and power-folding rear seats, utility is front and center. Under the hood, the 2025 Tahoe offers 3 engine choices, a 5.3L V8, a 6.2L V8, and a 3.0L Duramax turbo diesel inline-6. Each is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth power delivery and solid towing capabilities, up to 8,400 pounds depending on configuration. The available 4-corner air ride adaptive suspension and magnetic ride control ensure exceptional ride comfort and off-road capability, especially with the rugged Z71 trim. Chevrolet continues to prioritize safety in the 2025 Tahoe. Standard driver assist features include forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, and a following distance indicator. Higher trims add adaptive cruise control, a 360-degree HD camera system, and enhanced automatic parking assist. These features not only provide peace of mind but also make driving and parking this large SUV easier than ever. Beyond size and strength, the Tahoe is now a tech-forward SUV. Passengers benefit from Wi-Fi hotspot capability, USB-C ports in all rows, and optional rear entertainment screens. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, while the Bose premium sound system transforms the cabin into a concert hall on wheels. OTA, over-the-air, software updates keep the SUV's systems current without a visit to the dealership. Trims and customization. The 2025 Tahoe is offered in multiple trims, LS, LT, RST, Z71, Premier, and the range-topping High Country. Each brings its own flavor. From the family-friendly LS to the sporty RST with blacked-out details, and the luxury-oriented High Country with exclusive grille designs and advanced interior finishes. Optional packages include off-road upgrades, trailering tech, and premium driver assistance bundles, allowing buyers to tailor the SUV to their lifestyle. The 2025 Chevrolet Tahoe remains a standout in the full-size SUV segment. With its mix of commanding design, cutting-edge technology, and serious power under the hood, it continues to be a favorite for families, adventurers, and SUV enthusiasts alike. Whether you're heading to the mountains, towing a boat, or just running errands in style, the new Tahoe delivers the confidence and comfort to do it all.